Well, my name is Richard Williams, and I'm a manager with Lockheed Martin Information Technology and Global Services. In conjunction with STEM, Lockheed does several programs at high schools and middle schools where we're preparing students for engineering and information technology types of positions. We've been doing this for a number of years now and trying to support the engineering pipeline. Lockheed Martin sees that there's a shortage in this type of talent coming or graduating from colleges and historically black colleges and universities, and we're doing anything we can to excite students at that level, both middle school and high school, to go into those types of fields that STEM support and eventually fill some 50,000 jobs that are going to be coming up in the future.
My name is Addie Martin, and I'm president of Bowie State University National Alumni Association. Well, as far as minorities are concerned, and women and African Americans, this is one field that you have very few participants or African Americans getting jobs in the field of science or technology. And as we go into the 21st century, we need to have more of our students. Here at Bowie, we feel that all of our students have star power. And we feel that they're capable of doing well, and we want to strengthen our STEM program. One thing that we're doing that I'm extremely proud of is we've just been approved for a new STEM program called bioinformatics. And in bioinformatics, which is a cutting-edge program, which is new at Bowie, they get to study, analyze, interpret data related to DNA, and most of the time we hear about DNA is on TV. They get to study the human genome, and they also, in the process, can be a part of making differences in developing new medicines. So we want our students to be involved in the cutting edge. So it's important that African Americans have this opportunity to have higher paying jobs and be a part of the 21st century as we go into changes.
My name is Sarah J. Davidson. I represent Howard University. I'm the Vice President of Administration for Howard University's Alumni Association. That's the national umbrella.
Okay. And my name is Dr. Valerie Mahomes. I'm the President of the Howard University Alumni Club of Greater Washington, D.C., a constituent unit of the Howard University Alumni Association.
Well, the Howard University STEM program is called the Howard University Science, Engineering, and Mathematics Program, which is we call it HUSEM. And it is a multidisciplinary program involving 9 departments at Howard University. We have a partnership, the STEM program has a partnership with the College of Engineer, Architect, and Computer Science and the College of Arts and Sciences. And one of the reasons that I am here is because of the fact that we would like to get more involvement with our alumni at the national level to support the STEM initiative.
Well, it's my pleasure to encourage students to go into the field of technologies, and STEM in particular. We know that there's a dearth of African American students in particular who participate in these programs, and this is in fact the 21st century, and many of the jobs that are available in the 21st century are founded upon the STEM sciences. So it's important for students to get their training, both undergraduate and graduate training, to the extent possible in the STEM sciences, because we want to continue to build the pipeline of young people going into these fields. We want to have diverse representation across these fields among African American youth in particular. And we know that this is where the economic development can occur for these young people to have jobs, to continue to build the knowledge base and the infrastructure in this country to address some of the 21st century challenges that we experience.
I'm Dr. Clifford L. Stanley, Major General, United States Marine Corps, retired, and I'm the President and CEO of Scholarship America. Well, Scholarship America is an organization that's dedicated to ensuring that students actually not only get ready for school, but also get into college or post-secondary education and then get through. And then we ensure they give back. But the getting ready part is the part that, particularly in science and math, any kind of technology, but the bottom line is we're investing our money and our time in ensuring that we track students early as early as the 3rd and 4th grade to ensure that they're properly focused and motivated, as well as entrenched academically to get ready for school. You'd be surprised to find a number of people had no idea they actually had mathematical and technological skills, and they were doing it every day. And so we actually help students to tap into what they really are interested in, as well as what they're good at, even though they may not think it actually ties into the actual technology fields. And so we feel that doing that will help invest more into our future of America, as well as helping the self-confidence, self-esteem of students, and we do that, and that's where we are.
My name is Alonzo Robertson, and I am representing Morehouse College Alumni Association, the Greater Washington, D.C. area. And Morehouse College, since 1867, has been a liberal arts school that has major undergraduate programs in all the sciences, including the math, physics, and engineering, and computer science programs. We run a number of dual degree programs, which we call the 3-2. 3 years at Morehouse College, and then 2 years at another one of our affiliate universities. Morehouse provides a great foundation for students to go into the graduate level training programs in technology. Technology is the wave of the future, whether it's going to be in computers, nanotechnology, or any other field in the sciences, math, and physics. What we're trying to do at Morehouse is to provide an opportunity for you to learn and to be a leader in those fields.
My name is Shannon Cloman. I'm here today representing Alabama State University, wanting to make sure that individuals understand the STEM program. The STEM program is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. When we talk about those different programs that Alabama State offers, we want to make sure that students understand that they have the opportunities to engage in the sciences without being afraid of the sciences. We have engineering students, we have mathematics, computer science, and of course biology and chemistry. Those students that are matriculating on to receive master's degrees and doctoral degrees are coming to Alabama State University, not just because there's a class there, but because there's a future there. We have received grants from the National Science Foundation to research nanotechnology. And in researching those particular areas, we have professors from all over the world that have come to Alabama State University to take part in this groundbreaking research.
My name is Cleveland Haynes. I'm a proud graduate of Albany State University, better known throughout the South as the home of the Golden Rams. They nurtured me and welcomed me into their caring family. I'm very pleased that I had the pleasure and opportunity to attend Albany State. STEM programs at Albany State are located in the Computer Science Department. It's our primary mission to generate more African American students in the STEM disciplines. Albany State is also one of 12 schools participating in the Florida, Georgia, Lewis Stokes STEM project. We all share a common goal of generating, again, more African American students, not only in the undergraduate discipline, but also those who pursue postgraduate discipline.
I'm Brigadier General Leroy C. Bell, President of the Washington, D.C. chapter, Rattlers on the Potomac. I have with me Dr. Carolyn Jones. Dr. Jones.
At Florida A&M University, we have a plethora of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics programs for students. In the College of Engineering, we offer bachelor's through PhD programs in all the engineering disciplines. We also have a College of Engineering, Science, Technology, and Agriculture, where you can obtain a degree in construction engineering technology, civil engineering technology, landscape design, agriculture, agricultural engineering. We also have a College of Pharmacy, where you can obtain a clinical degree in pharmacy as well as a PhD degree in pharmaceutical sciences. If you are interested in the sciences or technology or engineering, Florida A&M University is the school for you.